Imagine a life where every action flows effortlessly, where opportunities align perfectly, and inner peace is your constant companion. This isn't a distant dream, but a reality awaiting you through the art of energy alignment. Begin with mindfulness. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and center yourself. Feel the present moment envelop you, releasing the weight of past regrets and future anxieties. Engage in practices that connect your body and mind. Yoga, Tai Chi, or even a mindful walk in nature can harmonize your physical and spiritual energies, creating a symphony within. Surroundings reflect your inner state. Simplify your environment, removing clutter to invite clarity and positive energy into your life. Set clear intentions. Write down your goals and affirmations, aligning your desires with the universe's flow. This act of creation sets the stage for manifestation. Aligning your energy is a journey of self-discovery and harmony. As you attune to the universe's frequency, you'll unlock potentials within you, transforming your reality into a masterpiece of your own design. Embark on your journey today. Subscribe for more insights on energy alignment and personal transformation.